This video is about the install of Vhedia wireless phone charger. Great accessory to have in this, which is the Toyota Hilux 2025 model. And you got three things that you're really looking at doing. One is removal of gear knob. Second is to undo the zip shroud. And the third thing is to use a tool to get in underneath this lip onto the edge here and pop it up. So gear knob's off, handbrake shroud has been undone, gear tool gets in underneath that lip and prop it up. Now, one little point of reference which is worth doing to start with is if you have your gear shift in park, when you're getting on and off it tends to scratch that beveled edge on the edge of your console thrasher. So much better if you can do to drop it into reverse, and then now when you're lifting up you've got a lot more clearance, and that way you don't go scratching this top part of your fascia. Once you've removed this up and over, you've got two little standard push connectors. One here is going to your gear shift and the other one is a little bit further up, and that's going to go to your selector, and that's just found in underneath there as well. So they're just your standard push connectors. Disconnect those two and then this whole unit will lift off, nice and simple. So at that point of making a decision where I can just rest the charging plate on top of, but this wire is going to be sticking out from the side, which is not ideal as far as functionality and catching up on things. But also I thought it would be better just to lift up here. That's about a 7 or 8 mil hole, so I'm going to drill a hole through the fascia here so I can thread the wire through there, and that way it'll be a nice clean finish once it's been slid back in place. It's also worth just testing all this before you start wiring stuff up. So I've just got this connected up. Yep, so the lights are all lit up. That's on the accessory function, so I know that it's working. Now I'll disconnect that, drill a small hole through the base, thread it through, and then I can put the center console back in place. Good. Yep, the wireless charging is functioning. You guys can't see it, but trust me on that one.